Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I have explained how we can use the left function in Microsoft Excel. In this video, I'm going to show you how right function will work in Microsoft Excel. What does right function will do in Excel? It returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. It means it will give a specified number of characters from the right side of your text string, characters which you specified. Let's write a right function here. For example, I have some data here with some space and with some underscore and with some space in each character and with some decimal points in my number. I'm going to write a right function here. What is the right function syntax? If you see here, text comma number of characters. So now I'm going to pass my text. Instead of giving a text manually here, I'm directly giving the specified range. So I'm going to give a A1 range as my text, comma number of characters. Number of characters nothing but how many number of characters that you want to return from the right side of the text string. So now I want, let me give a 5 here. So when you press an enter, this is the output. How it is giving? It is giving the total number of 5 characters from a right side of a text string. So if you count, it will include the space even. So that is why it is giving a 5 characters. If you include with the space, it will match. And I'm going to drag my formula to below. So for each cell, it will give the 5 characters from the left side of your text string. This is how right function will work. Thank you.